All right, I've just got a few wings. I just took a wooden dowel, put some ribs in it, covered it with computer paper, and I just have 3 of the 5 spots populated here. And there's a very light wind, and it's very crudely balanced. I just wanted to see if it would spin. All I did to balance this so far was just to give myself a little bit of room at the bottom, so put these about where I wanted them, and then I just took washers, or adjusted the number of washers until if I spun it by hand, it looked like it wanted to just stay perpendicular to the arm. If these were too heavy, then it would tend to want to be nose out. If it was too light, then it was kind of going nose in. So I just kept adjusting the number of washers until if I spun it, it would stay sort of perpendicular. Then I can fine adjust it by just adjusting the position of these. So I got them on top and bottom. So it's not perfectly adjusted, but it's okay. When I go to do the final adjustment, what I'll do is I'll lay this on its side and then just measure from the ground up to the wing, and then adjust these until the wing is in the position that I want. And the position I want is just maybe where the trailing edge is about a little over 1/8 of an inch higher than the leading edge. And that's just because if you draw a line from the center to mid chord, that's about the angle it would have to be in order to be, so that the wing would be perpendicular to that line. I've got some proper foam cores coming, and I've got the carbon fiber rods, and I'll probably cover them in either fiberglass or carbon fiber. I'm not sure yet which, probably the glass, but that's all coming yet. And I'll be able to replace these temporary wings with those. And give it a proper balancing, and I think it'll do pretty well once we have some wind.